So y'all, excuse my nails, y'all. I took them off because I couldn't keep the nails on to be able to count the money because I had a hard time. But I came on really quickly, y'all, to let y'all know that I first started off with the quarters. I think I'm gonna just do like do the quarters first and then do the nickels and the dimes and then the pennies. So if I do it that way, it'll be easier for me to count it. I have all the quarters lined up, and if y'all hear noise in the background, that is my nephew PJ, and also the kids are at home. So yeah, but I wanted to get this video up, so yeah, to give y'all an update on my saving challenges. So yeah, so I have all the quarters lined up, y'all, by tens. Tell everyone hey, peace. Say hey, everyone.
Hey everyone.
Say my name is PJ.
My name is PJ.
Okay. If y'all see the rows right here, y'all, they're in tens. They just look a little bit like slanted, and trust me, it's bothering me that way. But I had my kids to help me count and add it up, so it still equals 10. The last two over here was only it didn't make a row of 10. It only made 2. So that would, of course, only be $2. So let's go ahead on and start counting, y'all, so we can see how much we have total. So this row would be 10, 20, 30. Wait, it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 1 and 2. So all together total, this is 150. 152, I'm sorry. So yeah, that is $152 in quarters. So we're gonna put all of this away, and now we're gonna move on to our let's do our dimes. We're gonna go ahead on and do our dimes next and see what we got. We have room to put both. We'll put dimes on one side and then the nickels on the other side, and then we'll go ahead on from there. So y'all stay tuned, boo. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead on and count. Let's see how much. For the nickels, we stacked them up in 50 cents, and we stacked the dimes up in $1.
Yeah, but look, I put 5 of them in each row.
Okay, so you can just do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30. Okay, so that's why you said
Yeah.
40. Oh, okay, I didn't know. I thought you were just guessing 40. Okay, so that's 40. So let's get our calculator. So that's 40 plus, and this 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have $10 right here and 40 right there. So that's $50 altogether, right?
No, because you said those are two. $1 and then $1.
11? Oh
Yeah,
yeah, 11. Okay, so it's 51. But yeah, it's 51, my bad. So the quarters we had was $152 plus this right here is 51, right? Mm-hmm. Plus 51. Y'all can see that? It's 203, y'all, with just the nickels, dimes, and the quarters. So we about to go ahead on and do the pennies. But these pennies is not nice, y'all. We have to stack them up like this because there's no way we could have stacked them all the same way we get the quarters, nickels, and dimes, y'all. It wasn't gonna happen. So we're doing it this way. It's easier. That's what it is. So.